Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add poll to caption on Instagram. The Instagram poll feature is available in Instagram stories. You should immediately start the poll if you want to know your followers' opinions about your story post. The first step is creating a story as usual. Creating a story is almost known by everybody. However, if you are unfamiliar with this practice, we can help you learn it with very understandable and short sentences. Here are the instructions to add a poll to your story. First, you need to update your Instagram app. You will see a camera icon from there and gently tap on it. Now, you are ready to share your Instagram story post. Take a photo of anything, then swipe the screen from bottom to top or tap on the sticker icon that looks like a smiley face. You will see a drop-down menu and must select the poll sticker feature there. Then, a yes or no selection screen will appear in front of you. However, if you don't want to make a yes or no poll, you can also change your poll's answers. Write a question on top of them and confirm the poll. Creating polls is a great way to be successful in Instagram marketing. You can create curiosity in your audience and try to lead people to your blog post. That is why adding polls can be considered a content strategy for Instagram marketing. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.